Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello Team Bella and welcome back to the channel. It's me, your girl and friend, Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I'm so excited to be here with a very summer themed spread. Before we jump in with our plans for June 7th through the 13th, I wanted to remind you of 3 things. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give me the thumbs up. Also, I like hearing from you guys. Let's chat in these comments. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to join me and the other members of Team Bella, I would love to have you here. So all you have to do is hit the subscribe button below and don't forget about that notification bell. All right, so guys, June, right? It's already here, but I'm so excited. I will be using 3 sticker books today. I'm going to be using the summer sticker book, the Happy Life sticker book, and I believe this one was an exclusive to Hobby Lobby. I've had it for a minute. And then for the first time ever, I will be using the Mojo Jojo Plans Black Boxes sticker book because nothing grounds a spread like a good black box. All right, so I decided to go with this really summery theme, really influenced by these bathing suits that were in the summer sticker book. And when I saw this one and I saw these stickers, I was like, oh my goodness, we got something here. So we're gonna start with this long sticker for the sidebar. And I hope everyone that your June is off to a great start. And I know the first day of summer does not begin until the 20th, I believe, or the 21st of June. But doesn't mean that we're not here for all the summer vibes. So let's see. I'm gonna bring this up. It's got a little bit of a crease in it. All right. Beautiful. I'm excited to see how this turns out. So I'm gonna lay down, my strategy today is to lay down like my larger stickers. So I'm gonna lay this down over here on the side. On the bottom, it says, I'm worthy of good things. I'm going to put it down here. Okay. That double box sticker, perfect. Okay, so now that we have that, now I don't have a specific plan. As you can see, I just kind of took the stickers and just pulled them, and that's all we're gonna do. So that's all I've done. Let me grab some tweezers and we can get started on sticker placement. So I feel like I need to layer something here. I'm definitely going for, one of the black boxes. And so there's different size boxes in this book. So we have like these size, which could work, right? Which, if that's the case, I've already pulled one. So let's see. Could we put a sticker here? We could. Doesn't look bad. Perfect. The thing is interesting is that there's only one of these stickers, and I was so disappointed. I was like, where is the second one? Or maybe I missed it. I don't know. But I want to put this quote. It's going to go in the middle here. It says, you were born to fly. And let's lay it back down. Let's get a Uniball Signal white gel pen. I'm doing better, guys. I'm trying to have all my little supplies all together for these Plan With Me's, because we know sometimes I'm struggling. So we're just gonna cover where we think that the sticker would peek through and just cover it up. Now, the one thing about me in the summer, like, I love summer, but I am not a heat person. Like, you're not going to find me outside doing outside things in the summer, but I love warm weather. I think that you can attribute that to the years that I spent in Guam as a teenager and young adult. The cold weather is just, I wasn't built for cold weather. And I think that living in that kind of a temperature definitely, kind of puts you in that mindset. Like, I'm cold when people aren't cold. It's really weird. It really, really is. I wonder, did she have any checklist in her? Because I need a black checklist. Let me get my my colorful boxes book. Like, I had so many of these books that were partially complete, and oh yeah, so we have black checklists. That's what I really needed. So we'll grab one of these and we'll go ahead and put this here. Like, we still have stuff to do. Yes. Okay, I like how that's looking. So I would like to take this one and put it, there are some, maybe like this one, kind of put it and let it be a border on the back of this. So these stickers, y'all, you can't have too many black boxes. Like, this book was genius, and I'm excited to have it. It was touch and go there for a moment, though. The website was giving us grief and trauma, and so I had an issue. I was like, oh no. All right, so let's put this here, like here, today's goal. I like how that looks with that black box there. I'm gonna straighten it up a little bit because it's not quite straight. It's a little off, and I want it to look like a 3D effect, like it's popping out from the page. This is something that I saw on Happy to Plan with Desiree. She layers her boxes like this sometimes, and I like how it looks. This is the first time I'm doing it in my planner, but I really like how it looked in hers, and I was like, let me try this out. All right, so let's try it again. Just to cover up the white is all I'm trying to do. Okay, and I'm good with that. Okay, so that's good. We really need to get some orange going on.
All right, I decided to do a voiceover on this part because your girl was on the struggle bus. And a tip that I can offer you guys, if you put your stickers together and your spread doesn't seem to be coming out the way that you anticipate it to come out, you can always do what I did, and you'll see the transition here where I kind of put the stickers down. It really seriously looked like somebody threw up orange, pink, and black stickers all over this spread. But I walked away and I came back and I was able to put it together. So here you see me putting down as many black boxes as possible to level things out. Also trimming up where those swimsuits were. And remember, those swimsuits were the kind of inspiration to the spread. So it was important for me to kind of leave them intact. And I was able to do that, and I was even able to repurpose that sticker that I kind of had there, that bikini on the side, and I had cut part of it off. I was able to even go back through and repurpose that sticker by placing it on the right hand side under that double box sticker. And I will tell you that these stickers, these black boxes from Mojo Jojo Plans, brought this spread together amazingly. And I was hating it at first because I was just like, I cannot get it right. But then something happened. I got it right. So yeah, it turned out pretty good. And here I'm just putting the things that I like to put with your checklist, and just trying to layer as much as possible. Sorry if you hear the thunder. It's thundering right now, and you could probably hear that in the back of the video. So we're about to have a thunderstorm. And this is me coming back after taking a breath away and coming back to say, what can I do to make this look better? So one of the things I did, of course, was to add more black boxes there in the sidebar. And then anywhere I could layer black boxes to make it look a little bit better, that's exactly what I did. Now, I hope that you guys like the modifications that I made on the spread, because I wanted to stay very true to those themes and those colors. Like, they remind me of summer. And there I go again, layering for that 3D effect like I did on the left-hand side there in the bottom right-hand corner on Sunday. So now I'm just trying to use more of the stickers that I had already pulled onto my, my wax paper. And so that's something that I found. If I pull too many stickers, yeah, I get a bit overwhelmed and I feel like my spread is overwhelmed. So, you know, that's another pro tip. Don't pull too many stickers, especially if you don't kind of know in your mind already what you wanted to do. And going into this spread, that was a mistake that I made, but it came out all right.
I think that's gonna be good for me right there. I don't want to add anything else to the spread. I'm excited. I really like it, and I am ready to hit next Sunday, which is the first day of summer. Yes. All right. Well, thank you so much for joining me in this edition of My Plan With Me. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, Bella.
Shining, shining like a diamond. I